This is the normal position. Or here, depend on the line, vertical or it's even the horizontal. In this case, they are opposed in horizontal. This one. If, for example, we observe, if black turns, did you think who might be the got the opposition? Number one, opposition means the one who transferring the turn. Like this. If you notice this, observe this. If black moves there, then white moves there. What did you observe?
Yeah, observe that.
Black is keeping away, while white is keeping hand on the black. Did you observe?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So it means in that case, if blacks to play, in this case, disadvantage. If you observe, advantage is white.
Oh.
Because he trying to just something like you trying to push something. If you push something, no, too much. That's too much. If you push something, okay, for example, I push you a little bit like that, something like that. I'm transferring the impact to you. I'm the one who controlling the game. The question, we go back to the question. Who is the gaining of the opposition?
The white?
Yeah, because if black turns, because he will keep avoiding and white keep chasing. For example, the game, we have two main opposing idea. This one idea is for white because he is the advantage one, and the other one is black because he is the much something. I want to evaluate that. For example, did you hear about hide and seek? The game. Something hide and seek is related to chess. It's something like this. The black is the one to hide, and the white is the one to the chaser, the hunter, or the hunter or the villain. What do you might be doing they trying to escape, like that. And the other is trying to chase them. That's the common different two ideas. This is the principle.
I can get up there. And don't
Practice? Are we gonna practice?
What? If you wish. Okay.
We don't know when we're gonna be done.
A few minutes more.
Like 10 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes.
What 20?
20 minutes. Okay. Let's go back to the lesson. This is you call opposition. There are a lot of kinds of opposition. Now, do you understand? Now, if we try to figure out who's gonna move, if white turns, who's gonna be the hunter? If white turns,
Black?
yeah, that's correct. If black turns, the white, right?
Yeah, like if white turns, it's black. If black turns, it's white.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Now, I will. This one is one kind of the opposition. This is the most basic one. Like I mentioned a while ago, it's depending here, right here, or in the horizontal. That's the equal opposition. The other kind is this. What is that?
Yeah.
They are in the diagonal.
Yeah,
That's you call other kind of opposition. Diagonal, they call diagonal opposition. This one is quite too far away of 1, 2, 3. So they called it, remember that this kind of opposition, we have 4. This is 1, 2, 3. This is distant. Distant. This distant. Why did they call this distant opposition? Because there is a space of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's too quite far away. That's the distant. That's the main idea of opposition. How about this? Okay. How about that? This one. If I about that? This is they call the part rectangular. Right?
what?
Rectangular opposition. Why rectangular? Because they are forming a rectangle. Not the same position. If white the move, the opposition must be in black.
Yeah.
If he goes here, this one, you get the opposition. Right?
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Nah.
Okay.
Wait, I actually do.
What do you observe?
They just,
Did you get some idea?
I never studied about chess.
Okay, let's move on. That one. Can you recall to me the 4 kinds of opposition?
That's the diagonal.
Diagonal. The normal one, opposition. This one. This is the normal one. Diagonal.
Yeah.
The third one. Something like far away.
3.
No. Yeah. Distant. Distant because it quite far away. So distant. Far away. And then a while ago the triangular. Let's say called triangle because you are forming triangle. Binigyan na triangular opposition. Right?
Yeah.
Remember that one?
Now let's
That's the
practice. Is this practice or after practice challenge na?
So you want to watch with the
Because I'm just gonna do round